Okay. Sabi po ni Senate President Pro Temp Senator Ping Lacson in one of his interviews mentioned that you were in the Senate premises on August 19. Tama po ba?
I was there, Your Honor.
You were
Yes, Your
here?
Honor. Yes po, Your
Ano po
Honor.
ginagawa niyo rito?
I was invited to do an ocular of the supposed project po na dapat gagawin ko po sa office ng isa pong senator.
Sino po?
Uh,
Pwede ba malaman kung
Your Honor, if I may, it was already stated in the affidavit po that I have submitted, and with due respect, sana po not to name na lang po
No,
the
no, no.
good senator because he's not really involved naman po in
Yes,
any
I know.
of this.
I know that Senator. I vouch for his credibility and
Opo.
integrity also. So, yung ba ang unang pagkakataon mo na pumunta kay rito sa Senado?
Nagpupunta na po ako dito in the past, Your Honor.
In the past?
Opo.
Ano ginagawa niya in the past dito?
Matagal na po yon nung senator pa po yung ninong ko, si Joker Arroyo. Kasi po bumibisita po ako sa kanya and yung mga kaibigan ko po sa Broome.
So, sino-sino mga pinupunta?
Senator
niyo
Jinggoy, in fairness to all the senators, not only those present here, I would suggest that Ms. Jose or Mrs. Jose should identify kung kaninong office siya nagpunta.
Okay. Senator Erwin Tulfo po.
Ano po naging sadya niyo sa office niya?
Meron po kasing problem yung terrace ni Senator Erwin na binabaha po siya lalo po pag umuulan. So ako po yung na-refer na contractor nung staff niya na kung pwede po tingnan namin gawa ng solusyon and mag-suggest po kami sa kanya.